Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is trust. Trust the process. Everything you are going through is for your betterment, is to make sure you become stronger. It's showing that your faith and your faithfulness, if you're going to be consistent, consistency is key. And consistency, when you show up to your job, your 9 to 5, whatever shift that you have, is showing that you bring your energy to that place and you're actually filling up that cup. Just like you fill up your 9 to 5 cup, make sure that you fill up your gifts. Fill up that gift and show up every day by watering that plant every single day. It's going to be a paycheck. It's going to be a breakthrough in lifestyle. It's going to be freedom as you water this plant every single day. The great thing about it is you're in control. Now you are the CEO. Before, we fit ourselves into a already created structure where now you are the structure. You create the paychecks. You create the schedules. It takes a lot of energy. It takes a lot of being specific and making sure that you're held accountable. But you're made for this, and I cannot wait to see what you're building as you're going to evolve the entire world's consciousness. I trust life and my strengths. Each moment guides me to my light, and everything on my path is placed there for my growth. Growth, when you become stronger and wiser, there's bigger blessings that you can maintain, because blessings, just like negative energy, carries their own weight. The stronger you are, the bigger the blessing that you can be trusted with. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.